Okay, good morning student. 8B maths class, chapter number 7, variation. Variation means what? Two number which are interrelated. If one number increase, second number increase. If one number decrease, second number decrease. This is the variation. Direct relation, directly proportional. Sometime two number are internally dependent on each other. One increase, second decrease. If first decrease, second increase. That is inversely proportional. So variation are of two type. When both are simultaneously increase or simultaneously decrease, it is known as direct variation. One increase, second decrease. One decrease, second increase. Ulta pulta. That is inversely variation, inversely proportional. Direct proportion, first part, variation. If one notebook costs 20 rupees, notebook increase, price increase. Notebooks increase, total amount increase. One book 20 rupees, two book 40 rupees, three book 60 rupees, four book 80 rupees. Both are increasing. 10 books 100 rupees, 9 books 90 rupees, 8 books 80 rupees. So one decrease, second decrease, one increase, second increase. That is direct variation. Okay, 12 book 240 rupees, so one book 20 rupees. 3 books they have asked, 3 book 60 rupees. 9 books they have asked 180 rupees. 24 voice is not clear beta. So 24 book 480 rupees. 50 book 1000 rupees. Only one book 20 rupees. That they have given. So two part very important. X is directly proportional to y. When one increase, second increase. When one decrease, second decrease. Both same, increasing, decreasing. So x is equal to ky. K is constant. Network is full. Now check. Just wait, it will be stable. Wait. When x directly proportional to y, remove proportional sign is equal to k. K is a constant. Y goes down, so k is equal to x by y. So x and y ratio always will be the same. That is direct variation, inversely proportional, inverse variation. So x is equal to k by y. Cross product xy is equal to k. K is constant. So in inverse variation, xy product always constant. See the difference. Again I will give one example. If you will purchase one pen 10 rupees, 2 pen 20 rupees, 3 pen 30 rupees. Number of pen increase, total cost will be increased. So one increase, another increase. Second example of this inverse. Whose mic is on? Please close. Mic off करो. स्टूडेंट माइक ऑफ करो. सौरभ माइक ऑफ करो. Inverse variation, indirectly proportional. From A to B, long place. If you will go by train, less time will take. Then that same distance, if you will cover by car, more time. By bicycle, more time. By walking, more time. See, the distance is same, but the speed is decreasing compared to train. Whose mic is on? Close the mic. Student, I am shouting from here and you are not listening. Means you are just formality, you are joining the lecture. Distance is same, speed is increasing, time will decrease. Speed is decreasing, time will increase. Okay, from A place to B place, by cycle if you will go, less time. By walking you will go, more time. So compared to cycle, walking speed is less, so more time. So one increase, one decrease, like that. Following statement using symbol. See the circumference and R is the radii. More the radii, more the circumference. Small, less the radii, less circumference. More the radii, more the circumference. More the radii, more the circumference. Like that. So first, circumference directly proportional to the radii. C is equal to KR. C by R is equal to K. Next, petrol in a car and distance travel. More the petrol, more distance will travel. So petrol they have given L, directly proportional to the distance D. More the petrol, more the distance you can travel. Always remove proportional and K. L by D, it is K. Complete the following. Okay, in that fourth one is cancel. See, this is X, this is Y. 1, 8, 4, 32, 56 question. Whose mic is on? This is A, this is B, this is C. Already they have given that X is proportional to Y. X is equal to KY. X by Y is equal to K. Correct? So X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 8, X by Y, it is 1 by 8, it is K. Now you got K. Now here X is equal to A, Y is equal to 56 and X by Y is equal to K. So X is A, Y is 56, K is 1 by 8. So A, it is 56 by 8. So 7. So this answer will be 7. Same. Now X is equal to 12. I am doing this. B is equal to B. Y is equal to B. Sorry. A is equal to 1 by 8. So x by y, it is k by 1. So x is 12, y is b, this is 1 by 8. So b it is 96. So this is 96. Now see, x is equal to c, y is equal to 160, k is equal to 1 by 8, x by y is equal to k by 1, c by 160, it is 1 by 8, c it is 160 by 8, 8 2s are, so it is 20. Like this you have to complete the table. See, division 1 by 8, 4 8s are, 7 8s are, 12. Frequency is high. Check, otherwise wait for 2 minutes. Now see, I'll just change. Okay? Like this you have to complete the table. Fourth number is cancelled. Now m directly proportional to n given. M is equal to kn. M by n is equal to k. Now m 154, n 7. So m by n is equal to k. 154 by 7, it is k. 7 2s are, 7 2s are. So k we got. This k will be constant for all. Now n is 14. Find out m. Our formula is this, or this you can write. Anyone. We want m. K is 22. N is 14. When m is this, n is this. This is the first question. This is the second. Overall, full table 3. 4 is not there. 5. Y directly is the square root. Y directly is square root of x. So y it is k by root x. K into root x. Y by root x. X is equal to 16. Y is equal to 24. Constant variation. So y by root x, it is k. 24 by 16, it is k. 16 square root, 4 4s are. 6 4s are. So k is 6. That again you have to substitute here. Y is equal to k root 6. K root x. Y is equal to 6 root x. If y is given, find x. If x is given, find y. Like that. Total remuneration paid to the labor employee to harvest soybean is directly proportional with the number of the labor. So the amount directly proportional to the number of the employees. A is equal to Kn. Fourth one is cancelled. Now number of labor is 4. At that time amount is 100. Sorry, 1000. So number of labor is 17. Find the amount. K we have to find out. So A by N is equal to K. Amount is 1000 divided by 4, it is K. So 250, it is K. So same formula, A is equal to NK, K and NK, anything. It will be 4250. This is 7.1. Take the screenshot, beta. Done. In next week, be prepared with all apparatus and you have to work with me, okay? Rounder, protractor, scale, pencil. Now, indirect proportion. Again, I want to explain. X, indirect proportion. Direct proportion in numerator you have to write. Indirect proportion denominator you have to write. And whenever you will remove this proportional value, K will be introduced. So XY, it is K. These three steps you have to remember. In previous we have learned X proportional to Y, X is equal to KY, X by Y is equal to K. In direct variation, ratio are constant. In inverse proportion, product are proportional. Product are constant. Sorry. Number of worker means W. Number of worker W. Number of days is W. This is the first question. 30 and 6. 20 and 9. This and 12. 10 and question. 36 and question. This question is A, this question is B, this question is C. And WD 180, 180. This will be also 180 because it is K. K is equal to WD. Work proportional, worker proportional to the inversely proportional to the days. More the worker will work, in less time they will finish the work. Less the worker will do the work, more day they will take to finish. So now wait. So K is equal to WD. So W is equal to 30, D is equal to 6, KWD. Now this W is equal to 8, D is equal to 12, K is equal to 180. Now this W is equal to 10, D is equal to B, K is equal to 180. K will be the constant for all sum. Third, W is equal to C, D is equal to 36, K 180. K it is WD, K it is WD, K it is WD, K it is 180, K it is 180, it is 180, it is work 12, 10 into B, C into 36. Now I want A, so 12 goes down. I want B, 10 goes down. Sorry, it is 36. Okay, it is B. Now cancel. Fifteens are. So 8 is 15. 0 0 cancel. B it is 18. 36 5s are. So A what we have considered, W worker this, B number of days, C worker. Like this you have to solve the table. Question number 2, very important. Of 2, first, pressure P inversely proportional to Q. P is equal to KQ. This also you can take. When P is equal to 15, Q is equal to 4, 15, K 4, 4 goes down. Now this K will be the constant. Second, Z inversely proportional to W. Z is equal to K by W. This I have done wrong, sorry. It is inversely proportional. Wait, Z is 2.5, W 24, 2.5 into 24, 24 half 12, 12 half 6, so it is 600, 1.5. So K by Q, PQ is equal to K. P is given 15 and 4. 15, Q 4, 15, 4. Now with the power, S inversely T square. S is equal to K by T square. S into T square, it is K. As it is 4, T it is 5. S is equal to 4 into 5 into 5, it is K. 5 as a 25, 4 is a 100. Fourth one, x under root y, proportional cancel, constant introduce. So x root y, it is k. Product. So x is equal to 15, y it is 9, 15 root 9, k, 15, 3, k, 45. In all that you have to find out only k. Fourth question, very important, only you have to make the equation by symbol. Symbol they have given a fourth first. Length inversely proportional to the frequency. So length, it is k by frequency. Length into frequency, it is k. 1 to 3 steps you have to write. Intensity, square of the distance. Distance square inversely proportional. Cross product, ID square. Fifth and sixth cancel. Now for 3 we have time, right? Boxes are filled up with the apple, the boxes are to be filled with apple. If 24 apples are put in a box, then 27 boxes are needed. If 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed? So number of apple and box. So A is equal to K by B. AB is equal to K. AB is equal to K 2 times. Why? Apple 24. Box 27. So 24 into 27, it is K. Leave it as it is because they have not asked for K. Now apple is 36. B is the question. K is 24 into 27. Aditya, close your mic. Aditya, Aditya, you are on road or what? Aditya, Aditya, close your mic. I said 5 times. 8, 6 6 6 4 Aditya, 24 27. 2 3 3 18.